Hello, I'm Mr. Spelling and welcome to another spelling list breakdown video. This week we have 15 words in order of difficulty that all contain the digraph SH making the sound sh, as in shark. Now if you would like to teach this lesson yourself, the link to the PowerPoint behind me is in the description below, but if not, let's crack on with this video. Our first word is the word she. She is a pronoun, so after you refer to someone by their name, you might replace it with the pronoun she if they're a girl. And the sounds of she are sh, e, she. It's got 3 letters and 2 sounds. The next word on our list is the word shy. I was shy because I didn't like speaking in public. Shy. And the sounds of shy are sh, I, shy. And you might notice the letter Y is making a different sound at the end of the word. At the end of the word, it can make the sound I. It can also make the sound E. The next word is the word ship. I saw the ship in the ocean. Ship. And the sounds of ship are sh, I, p, ship. The next word on our list is the word shin. I wore shin pads when I was playing soccer, so I didn't get kicked in the shin. And the sounds of shin are sh, I, n, shin. Shop is the next word on our list. I bought lots of candy from the shop. And the sounds of shop are sh, a, p, shop. Shoe is the next word on our list. I put on one shoe, but I lost the other. Shoe. And the sounds of shoe are sh, oo. It's got 4 letters, but only 2 sounds. Our next word is the word cash. I had lots of cash in my wallet. Cash. And you might notice in this word that the SH is not at the start. This time it's at the end. And the sounds of cash are k, a, sh. Cash. Our next word is the word fish. You could say, I went to fish and caught a fish, because the word fish is both a noun and a verb. And the sounds of fish are f, I, sh, fish. Sheep is the next word on our list. I saw a sheep at the farm. And the sounds of sheep are sh, I, sheep. The next word on our list is the word shine. I went to shine my flashlight. Shine. And the sounds of shine are sh, I, n, shine. And you might notice that you don't hear the E at the end of the word because this is the final silent E and it's jumping over the letter N to make the letter I say its name. The next word on our list is the word shade. I sat in the shade under the tree. Shade. And the sounds of shade are sh, a, d. Shade. And this word also has the final silent E and it makes the A say A. The next word on our list is the word share. I went to share my candy. Share. And the sounds of share are sh, air, share. The next word on our list is the word shower. I had a shower in the morning. And the sounds of shower are sh, ow, shower. And in that word, the OW is making the sound ow. Next on our list is the word should. I should know how to spell this word. Should. And the sounds of should are sh, o, d, should. And this is one of those words that you might have to learn by heart because it's got a U and an L in it that you don't hear. And our challenge word on this list is the word shallow. I swam in the shallow water which wasn't too deep. Shallow. And the sounds of shallow are sh, a, l, o. Shallow. And in this word, the OW is making the O sound, But in the word shower, it's making the ow sound. It can make two sounds. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the spelling list breakdown. We had 15 words in order of difficulty. They're arranged that way so some spellers can do words 1 to 5, or if you're a really good speller, you can take on the whole spelling list. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to download the PowerPoint, and I'll see you next time. Bye.